All right, we'd like to feature this 2001 Lincoln Continental. It's a nice car. Beige opalescent. That is original factory paint. Look, no dents, no dings, no hail damage. Look at that. That is nice. That is a beauty. You look right on down the B-lines, all straight. There is a little bit of rust under the carriage, but that's typical of a 20-year-old car. It's got good tires, tail lights all intact, all the lights work, brake lights work, beautiful chrome, another patch there, that's typical. Alloy wheels, 17-inch V8. GM's pride and joy. The door panels are all intact. 8-way memory seat, windows and locks, mirrors, missing one of the knobs. Trunk release and fuel release. Leather, I mean that's typical. That's all original. That's what 20 years look like. That's very easy to replace. I got a guy if we need him. Same thing for the passenger side. Lincoln emblems. Again, door panels all intact, no wear and tear. Airbags in the side of the chair and that bolster, that was new for that year in '01. Lincoln was one of the first car companies to start putting airbags in the chairs. You got the back seat there, it's all good to go. Headliners all sticking up. Oh, it's got a little bit, so it's gonna need a new headliner in the back. That's easy. And that's typical of a 20-year-old car. Headliners. But it's all intact, it's all sitting in there. Let's start her up. Tail lamps. Brake pedal isn't worn down. That's the indication of the low miles on the car. It's got 150,000 miles. Low miles. Low AC. That is cold. You don't need it on a day like today. You have that Gentex mirrors with the compass in it. We're pointing north. Kansas City, north. Let's check out this motor. See what's underneath this thing. Oh shoot, get my finger out of there. Okay. 72 valves and V8, 4 valves and cylinder. Should be asking more for the car, but we got it on sale for $29.80. All original bolts, none of the bolts been taken off the car. Power line into the motor, battery. Strut tower. Good hoses. And it's running with the AC on. Okay, so come pick this baby up. I'm at 6102 Merriam Drive here in Merriam, Kansas. Ask for me, James. You can call or text at 913-766-2828. And I hope you do enjoy this video. She's kind of out of focus. Come on, baby, it's getting focused. There we go. Have a good day.